Hi guys! Ayan, matagal-tagal na din tayong nawala sa Aries. So, ayan, dahil sobrang busy po tayo kasi nagpa-process tayo ng ating mga papili. So, ayan guys, parang habang tumatagal tayo dito sa probinsya, lalong naging unggoy tayo guys. So, ayan, marami na pala akong balahibo sa katawan ko. So, it's time na tatanggalin natin gamit ang ating nag-iisang Gillette kasi wala tayong pang ngayon. Kailangan na talagang tanggalin ang mga mabalahibo kong katawan. So ayan, samahan niyo ako magtanggal ng aking mabalahibo gamit ang ating Gillette o Gillette. Bahala kayo diyan. Ang tawag niyo dito. So ayan guys, gagawin na natin to. So, without further ado, let's start! So, ayan guys, buksan na natin ang ating Gillette o Gillette. Bahala kayo dyan anong tamang pronunciation yan. Kasi wala tayong parang ng ating balahibo. So, DIY muna tayo. So, need pala natin ng konting, ayan, ang gagamitin natin ngayon shampoo. Kailangan natin ng hindi pwedeng dry yung ating walang ilalagay nating sabon para hindi tayo masugatan. Ayan. So, nakalimutan ko pala, ilagay natin yung ating Gillette blade ng Gillette. So, mura lang to guys. Ayan, nasanay kasi ako malang balibo yung katawan ko. So ayan, kailangan nating tanggalin. So kailangan pala nating lagyan ng kahit anong sabon pwede nyo ilagay. So ang ginamit ko ngayon shampoo para madulas yung pag-ahit natin. So ayan, marami kasi yung yung balahibo ko sa ko din paa kasi lagi akong nakapantalon. So, ayan. Simulan na natin.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle like a me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreams. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands and pray. Your own hands can land your own. I'll be cruising in my lane fast. I feel like no one takes accountability. Hard, got the credibility. If you think you'll win, enough. Now we're take a shower, cold-blooded sour. Take a cold shower is what I call sight louder. Look until you run it up when they holler doubters. They're just rose, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right down. I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain. Turning losses into gains, I'm realizing making change. I've been risking this exchange, work for it. Popping off and risking things, gonna be work for name. I just wanna be famous. I won't stop till they hear me now, but I don't want that shit. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I just wanna be greatness.
guys, malinis na po yung ating mga balahibo. So ayun guys, tapos na po tayo. So malinis na po ang ating katawan. Wala nang balahibo. Guys, ano pala eh, parang malumi kasi para sa akin pag may balahibo ang katawan ko, parang nasanay na ako. So ayan guys, maligo na po tayo. So guys, ang tanggalin na po yung ating mga balahibo sa ating katawan, sa ating legs. Sobrang kinis na. So ayan guys, sabayan nyo ako sa aking pagligo. So, check it out. So, ayan, sobrang ano na pala. Wala nang balahibo sa ano ko. So, makinis na po yan. So, ayan, check it out guys. It's Ligo time! Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. So, see you for the next vlog. Maraming salamat po. I love you all.